Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos on Samsung Galaxy M33. So launch your camera. Right here you should be able to find the macro somewhere in this tab right here with quick settings, or click on more and find the macro like this. It should have the little plant icon on it. Now we have a macro mode on, and it says that we need to hold our phone stable about 5 or 3 centimeters away from the object which we'll make a photo of. So it looks basically like this. That's the perfect macro photo. Click on the shutter, try not to move your phone, and that way you'll make a macro picture. Also, another tip is to use a good lighting for that, as it helps with the quality. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.